Hi, what's up everyone and welcome back to Login Science. Today in this video we will be learning how to upload long videos on Instagram story. Please make sure to follow all of the steps till the end. The very first step is to make sure that you have already downloaded or have the video on your gallery. We can actually post a video that is only longer up to 60 seconds. If your video exceeds 60 seconds, you need to trim the video and make it up to 1 minute. Here you can see that the video I want to post is of exactly 1 minute. In order to post this video, first of all move into your Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Swipe right and at the bottom left corner you'll get to see the square icon. Click on it. Select the video that you want to upload. You can see the video is of 1 minute, so I don't have to trim it. Now you can edit the videos with all of the feature that is visible above. Once you are done editing your video, click on your story at the bottom and it will upload your video on your story successfully. So this is it, and this was the tutorial video on how to upload long videos to your Instagram story. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.